Hi everybody and welcome to Mission Control Free Feature Focused video. In this video we're talking about group attribute times. You can set individual fade times for each IPCGBES attribute group, that's intensity, position, color, gobo, beam, effect, and special. You can also select which fixtures this applies to. For example, you can make the position change take 2 seconds, but the color change take 10 seconds. Additionally, you can set individual times for each attribute, so you can make the pan fade over a different time to the tilt. To set times for an attribute group, first select the Edit Times menu and the queue you want to set. Press Next to go to the second page of options. Press Attribute Times. All fixtures in the queue will be selected. If you don't want to change the times for any fixtures, deselect them now. You can also press the All key, labeled Odd, Even, All on some consoles, to select all the fixtures in the queue, or Avo plus All to deselect all fixtures. Press the Soft key for the attribute group you want to change, or the hard key on a full console. Press Delay to set the delayed time, or press Fade to set the fade time. Press Use Global to remove the attribute timing and go back to normal fade and delay times for the queue. You can also use individual attributes to set one attribute within the group, for example, just pan within the position group. You can also use the Queue View window that auto opens to set the times for individual attributes. So let's take a look at that. Here I am at version 15.1 on the Titan Go virtual hardware interface. So I will see what we've got it going here. If I got this playback here, we can see that it has this position and these things going on with the dimmer. So we'll go ahead and release that. And then we'll go ahead and go to Edit Times and select this playback. And then I'll go ahead and hit Next on our soft keys and go to Attribute Group Times. And we see that our Queue View automatically opens. And it's set to start, so we can see our fade times here, or we can click our attribute buttons here. So we'll go to intensity, and we'll simply set intensity to be a 1 second fade. And then we'll go to our position, and we'll go ahead and set, we'll go to a single, and we'll set our pan to be 3 seconds, and then our tilt to be 5 seconds, and we'll go to our color, and we'll set our color to be 8 seconds, and we'll go ahead and exit out of this menu, and now we'll see when we fire our queue, when we bring it up, you can see the dimmer fades in 1 second, the pan and tilt are moving at theirs, and the color is taking 8 seconds to fade in. Just to show that one more time, so go ahead and we'll see this one here. It's pretty much got intensity and position in it, so we'll go ahead and release. And we'll do Edit Times here, and go to our Group Attribute Times. So we'll set them over here in our window. So we'll go ahead and specifically select just our dimmer, and we'll set it to be 2 seconds. And then we'll go over to our tilt, and we'll set it to be 8 seconds, just make it extremely long. And we'll go to our pan and we'll set it to be 16 seconds, just to really hammer it home. And then we'll go ahead and exit out here. And now when we bring our playback up, our dimmer comes in, our tilt moves, and our pan is taking its literally long 16 seconds to fade in. And we see it's completed. Obviously, we could use that on any of our attributes. We just shown it on the few here. I hope you learned something. Join us on Facebook at Avolites US. Join us here next time. Please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.
Wheel stop.
Roger, wheel stop, Discovery. Welcome back. A great ending to the new beginning.